it was like, it wasn't so much he loaned it to me. Okay, it was just like, it is not like he just gave me the $2,000 in my hand and said, okay, here's what you need. It was just like gifts throughout the relationship. So that added up. But the bail money, yes, I did get
Wait,
the
so
money.
what do you mean by give? He says he specifically loaned you $2,000 for you to get an apartment.
He did not physically give me $2,000.
Did he give it to the landlord?
No, it was bits and pieces, and he
Is
added
it bits and pieces that you've added up? What is it?
I gave the apartment complex about $1,200, first, last month rent and deposit, and I paid her electric that she was behind on, and I put the rest in her hand, Your Honor.
Does that sound familiar?
No, it does not, Your Honor.
Okay. And why would he be making it up? What's he mad at? All of a sudden, because supposedly this happened in 2015. So now why are we here 3 years later, he finally files a lawsuit?
He has no contact with me no more, or I'm no longer in his life, or I don't really know why it came up.
Did you hand me the promissory note?
Yes, right below, right. Yep.
Did you sign this? Here. Now, according to you, you had her sign the promissory note after the loans, right? How long after you loaned her the money for the apartment?
I had her,
This was June the 11th of 2016.
Did you sign that?
Yes, I did.
Why'd you sign it if you don't know it?
I don't remember. It's been so long ago, I don't remember actually what took place or why I signed that or what was the case. Because it's, like I said, it was so much going on between us. So I really don't remember, like, what was it signed,
One of the things you said in your answer to the complaint was around 2009 or 2010, the plaintiff had me sign a document giving him power of attorney over me because he wanted me to collect SSI.
Exactly.
Tell me about that.
Well, he told me that he could get me SSI, disability. And he said he wasn't going to get it if I was going to take the benefits and run with it, you understand? So he felt like I should sign that to let him know that when I get it, that I would give him money for getting me on it.
What were you going to get? You were going to get SSI for what?
For life. I mean, disability.
No, I know, but why was he in charge of helping you to get that?
Because he told me that's what I needed, and he could get it because I have a heart murmur and other issues, and he felt
Heart murmur. My husband has a heart murmur. I mean, lots of people have heart murmurs.
Well, that's what I was told.
So did you apply for SSI?
No, we never applied for it.
Okay, so but you gave him a power of attorney to do what? Anything he wanted?
No, to get me SSI.
Okay, so did the power of attorney that you signed, did it specifically say to get him? Did you have her sign a power of attorney?
She wanted me to help her with legal questions, problems that she may have had.
Are you a lawyer?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
She asked me.
What legal questions was she wanting you to know?
If she went to the family, people that do welfare and people that do food stamps and that type of stuff, she asked me to go along with her and help her understand if she didn't understand something.
Okay. So, but what does that have to do with signing a power of attorney? What was that for?
She was discussing her life and the problems
No, but discussing her life, signing a power of attorney would enable you to cash her checks. So what was your cut of the SSI that you were going to have her apply for?
It wasn't her SSI, Your Honor.
Whose SSI
was it? It was for her daughter. She wanted me to try to get her daughter on SSI.
Okay. How old is the daughter?
My daughter is 15. At the time, my daughter was like 9 or 10 years old, and I did not need your help to get my daughter SSI. Like,
Your Honor, I went to the doctors for her. I made appointments for her. And the only reason she stopped was because of her daughter's father.
I can't do this. This man is.
That's the only reason.
The only reason she stopped what?
He's
Having me try to get her on SSI because the daughter didn't show up for the appointments that I had made for her, and I have never used the power of attorney for anything.
Your Honor, he's lying. He did use the power of attorney because he called the people for my taxes because he said that I was going to give him $2,000 out my taxes, and he called the people, and the people asked him could they use the information. He has used that power of attorney a lot, and then he made it for 2020. So now that it's almost over, now he want to come with this. He's lying, Your Honor.